Hi, this is Rita from MovieSpirit. Today, we are going to introduce the use of motion point. As there are several different functions of motion point, we decide to divide it into two lessons to introduce. In this lesson, we will introduce 5 knowledge points of the motion point. The first one is zoom in and zoom out. Here we use the picture to make the demonstration. The motion point operation for video and text is the same. Tap on the motion point icon and add the motion point. Please kindly be noted that the first motion point counts from 0. For the first motion point, we drag the white dot to zoom out picture here. Moving the timeline a bit backwards, and we continue to add the second motion point. Here we enlarge the picture. Regarding the interval between two motion points, it can be larger or shorter. We can adjust it up to our need. Continue to add the third motion point. Zoom out the picture again. And continue moving the timeline backwards and add the next motion point. Zoom in the picture again. Okay, let's add the last motion point. We restore the picture to the original size here. Okay, as we can see, we have added in total 5 motion points to the picture. Let's see the final output. Now the picture has a dynamic effect of zoom in and out. The second knowledge point we are going to introduce is the movement. As the same, we tap on the motion point icon, and we can add the movement effect to these 5 motion points at the same time. For each motion point, we just use 2 of our fingers to change the picture location. Let's display the final output. As we can see, except the dynamic effect of zooming in and out, now the picture also has the movement effect. The third knowledge point we are going to introduce is transparency change. As the same, tap on the motion point icon to open those 5 motion points we have been added. For the first and the third motion point, let's change the transparency of the picture to 0. And let's see the final output here. The next knowledge point we are going to introduce is the deformation of the picture. As the same, we tap on the motion point icon to add the motion point. For the first motion point, we keep everything unchanged, and we continue to add the second motion point here. There are in total 8 blue dots on the front of the picture. Drag any blue dot to change the shape of the picture. Let's continue to add more motion points, and for each of them, we drag one of the blue dots. Continue to add. For each motion point, we just need to drag the blue dot to change its shape. And for the last motion point, we can tap on this blue arrow logo to restore the original shape of the picture. Let's preview the final output. Now the picture has a dynamic effect of deformation. The last knowledge point we are going to introduce today is the base rotation. As the same, tap on the motion point icon to add the motion point. For the first motion point, we just keep the default setting, moving the timeline a bit backwards and continue to add the second motion point. Here we need to select the rotation option and then drag the white dot to 90 degrees. And continue to add the third motion point. And change the white dot to 0. At the same time, tap on the clockwise option to change it to anti-clockwise. Let's see the final output. Okay, we have finished introducing 5 base knowledge points of the motion point. The combination of these 5 knowledge points can have many unexpected effects. It may be difficult at the beginning, however, as long as we practice more, we can master this skill soon. The second part of the course will be released later, in which we will introduce the advanced rotation skill of the motion point. See you in the next course. Bye bye.